Good morning, everyone. I am Rosemary Tremocha, and I will be talking or discussing about how computers work. So there are basic components of a computer. First is the CPU or the central processing unit, then the memory, the keyboard which is other input device, and the screen which is another output device. So, how does a computer add or subtract rather? It's not like us who have brains and can interpret the literal meaning of those words or numbers. So this is how computers work and interpret data. Computers understand machine language. It does not recognize letters as letters of the alphabet, but as a series of zeros and ones. So this language is called the binary language. Binary, which has the prefix bi, which means 2. So in the binary number system, it only understands two digits, which is the 0 and the 1. So these two digits plays an important role in the way computers communicate with one another. There are also other types of number systems, such as the octal number system from the prefix octa, which means 8, so it uses 8 digits to understand its values. And the other one is the hexadecimal number system from the prefix hexa, which means 6, and deci, which means 10, so it uses 16 digits to understand or to represent its values. So, to fully understand what I am saying, I'm gonna give you an example on how computers interpret words. So, for example, the word computer. This is how a computer understand that you're typing the word computer. So we do have here the table for the binary, for the hexadecimal, and for the octal number system. So this is what computers do. So letter C is the first letter for the word computer. So we need to find it in the character with its in the last column, and then we need to find the value of letter C in the hexadecimal. So we have found letter C and that its hexadecimal value is 6 and 3 or 63. After finding the value of C in the hexadecimal table or number, so we need to find its value in the binary table. Since we had a value of 6 and 3 in the hexadecimal, so we need to find its corresponding value in the binary table. So for 6, we have the numbers 0, 1, 1, 0, and for number 3, we have the binary numbers 0, 0, 1, 1. So to summarize the steps, first you need to find that letter in the character column. After finding the letter, you need to find the value of that letter in the hexadecimal column. And then you switch to another table, you look for the binary numbers of those hexadecimal numbers. So for the letter C, we had this binary number. So this is the binary number of letter C. And for the letters O, M, P, U, T, E, R, you should also do what I did in order to find out the binary number of those letters. So altogether, this is the binary numbers for the word computer. So that is that is what the computer sees when we type the word computer. And that is how computers work and interprets data. Thank you. I hope you understand something in my report.